So we're back again on Thursday. What do I see? Price is pushing its way down. Just tapped into this order block on the 4 hour and this fair value gap on the 4 hour. Oops. We're above true day open and everything like that. I mean, we have this order block right here aligned with the something. So we could end up retracing, or this could just be a day to sell off. I mean, I'm not entirely sure. Really, I don't know what we could do for these levels. It looks like we're pushing down towards sell side. I don't know if there's any news today. I'm gonna check right now. There's no news today. So I don't know. There's different kind of levels we could tap in through. Not respecting this block. 10 a.m. could come and something happens, but we're inside this gap as well. This daily order block right here could be a target. Not a bad target to aim for. I want to get some sort of retracement at least, though, to target lower. What do we have here? Equal highs, pretty much. I don't believe price is going to go up there, but we could one day go up there. ES is already pushing its way into the new week opening gap, so I don't know. It's definitely something. Just marking out levels we could tap off of, even on the hourly as well. Take sell side liquidity. This 4 hour fair value gap. But I'm looking to take shorts no matter what. So I'm not really sure what price could end up doing. Just gonna watch the 15-minute, see if I can get some sort of retracement. Maybe this could just be a sell day or some shit. We could end up tapping up into some sort of confluence right here, but I'll have to let you guys know. Everybody, so we're ended up tapping into this 4 hour order block and sell side liquidity to then reverse upwards. We're now inside of this 15-minute order block. Just tap the CE. I do want to see price go up to at least this 4 hour order block with a 1 hour breaker plus order block to then reverse down. So that is what I'm looking for in price action. course, when 10 a.m. creates itself, I still want to see price stay its way down to then possibly push its way up into the order block. So we'll have to wait until 10 a.m. comes, and then I believe that's gonna show us a solid draw. But as of right now, as of right now, I could end up taking a trade off of this. Though I'd rather not, just based off of price pushing its way towards this higher confluence reversal areas. So we are at equilibrium of the range though, but I believe price could reach into OTE, which I do sort of want to change the color of OTE to maybe like orange or some shit. Yeah, just so it's like I can see it better, I guess. But yeah, I'm gonna wait here. I will let you guys know if we end up pushing towards some sort of high time frame liquidity as well. Uh, uh. Equal highs right here on buy side. So yes, it's still pushing its way upwards. I'll update you guys when it becomes 10 a.m. Hello everybody. Okay, so we ended up taking this trade on the 2 minute. Price ends up pushing up into this 4 hour open right before 10 a.m. So we go up into this 4 hour open, and then we end up displacing down, making a market structure shift on the 2 minute. I end up making fib, tracing it to this order block level right there, setting my entry right there with my stop loss here, only at 2 cons, risking 1% of my account. We're taking it lower down to this this low formed before, even though I do believe this could be way lower. I'm just gonna take the low hanging fruit of, I suppose. So yeah, we'll see if this plays out. The only reason I would think to get stopped out is if price wishes to come off equilibrium of this 15-minute range or the 5 minute, and then push up to equal highs, or this 1 hour breaker plus order block, which we did not tap into before displacing down. But the 4 hour is higher than the 1 hour, so just based off of parent time frame, I don't expect price to push down, as well as we did tap into this previous new, this is a new day opening gap, so we could use that to make a push lower, possibly to this low right here. So I'm just gonna have to see how price reacts off this kind of level, and wherever price thinks of retracing towards, I'm going to have to protect my position and such. So, but yes, tapped into the CE of that new day opening gap to draw lower, so I'm not sure. We're going to see how this trade plays out. I'm going to update everybody when I'm close. When I'm around 75%, I will put my stop to break even, and I possibly will trail in as well. But I don't want to suffer any drawdown, really. Um, it just doesn't make sense to me. But anything can happen. This is the market. Everything is random. So let's see how it goes. I'll update you guys. All right, everybody, I'm back. So we've been in this trade for a while. It is now 10:32. Price tapping into OTE of this range from this high, from this low to this high. And we are forming some sort of structure shifts, and I don't like it because, we have this little order block we're tapping into. Well, this is the order block right here. See if we could tap into this and reverse, then I probably might take off the position. I'm already at break even. We are tapping into equilibrium of this range, so I don't want to see price go higher off of this and take out this high on the 2 minute, even though price could definitely do so. Um, it's not something I want to see just based off of market and price action structure. Um, yeah, we could end up pushing up to 10 a.m., stuff like that. So it's really uncertain as to what price wants to do in this moment. We could end up pushing up, but I do believe the draw to be lower, just off of the entire daily time frame, wanting to go to that new week opening gap that we never actually tapped. Um, this is just a low-hanging fruit I'm targeting personally, but price itself could end up pushing its way further lower, and I'm not sure if price wants to go ahead and create some sort of shift. 25 minutes until this closes. Tapping into that order block. A little bit of a reaction off of there. So if price ends up taking out this level, I don't really want to see that. So I'm gonna go ahead and try to not see it. But yeah, like, I don't want to see that shit, okay? Because it doesn't make any fucking sense. I believe the draw to be lower. I believe price to want to go lower. So the draw explains it. The high time from just bounced off of a 4 hour order block, sweeping out liquidity right here. We're looking for sell side. I don't understand why we would go up in this situation, but price could end up doing it. So if we end up taking out that high, I think I'm going to close the position out. Try to take some profits at least. Maybe take another trade. I just don't believe or understand why price would do such a thing. But it's just how it is. It's price. All right, we just took out liquidity right there. Tapped into that order block right here in the 2 minute after forming a market structure shift. We'll see what price wants to do now. This is where we have to get very hands-on in the trade, just based off of how the market's reacting. So if anything, I don't want to see a push down right here. Trail my stop loss a little just in case I get wicked out, so I can also see the tick marker. Yeah, I don't know. Personally, I could get stopped out on this. Not something I want to happen, but let's think about it. Let's think about realistically. Why would price push up right now? Only because we are in OTE of this range. That's it. But we just tapped equilibrium of this range. We retraced up. We're not taking out old highs. So I do not see why price would reach up to this level. I don't see it. So I'm going to solidify my stop right there to take something out of the day if we get stopped. But personally, I believe price to want to continue pushing lower. So it's good to be seeing this kind of movement Okay. This is confluence, correct? This is what I believe is confluence, high confluence. Um, I do not want to see price wick out of this position right here. So let's see. We can form a CISD on the 2 minute. Let's look at the 5 minute. The 5 minute is also acting a little bit fuckery. But usually price will wick down like this, leave a wick, and then continue pushing through. So let's hope that happens. Let's just see if we can continue wicking down lower or pushing lower. Okay. I don't know. I will have to update you guys on if the trade hits or if we get stopped out prematurely. So thank you very much. I will see you guys in a second. Everybody, so what I end up doing, as price pushed down, we tapped into this 3 minute order block. So at that point, I kind of knew price would want to probably stop me out. So at this order block, all I was really waiting for was price to push its way back down into this little fair value gap plus order block level, and then end up stopping out the trade. So I stopped it out, just made 200 on this trade, and yeah, I mean there definitely is more trade opportunities to take, but in this kind of price action, I mean, it doesn't look like price has a clear distinguished draw on where to go. But yeah, we at this point it's looking like price could end up actually pushing our direction now, which is not very clear as of right now. As you can see, price is pushing its way lower and lower. Might take another trade, not quite sure, but it looks like price is still respecting this little fair value gap, so I'm going to make a little marker indication. I don't know how long I can record this for, but as you can see, I lost the trade. Well, I didn't lose it, but I exited prematurely, but price actually ended up pushing in my direction, so I should have held on to the trade realistically. So sadly, I might enter another trade here off of this order block and breaker on the 3 minute, 5 minute as well.